In this video, we will show the best-selling wet and dry vacuum cleaners in India 2020. At number 1, Karcher WD3 Multipurpose Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, American Micronic AMI VCD 15-1600 WDX. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Inalsa WD Multi-Function Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Black Plus Decker WD-BD 15 Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Euroclean Forbes WDX2 Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Balzano Professional K606 Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Kent Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Prestige 1200 Watt Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.